What if you are given this math question under solve? Now look at this question. Feel free to pause the video and see if you can attempt it. So it says write 3 over, this is 2 plus root 5 in the form of a plus b root 5. So feel free to pause the video and see if you can attempt it. Okay, now let's do it together. Remember, this kind of question, we are going to consider the sixth rule that involves rationalization of solve. So this is going to be, when you rationalize this solve, we're going to have 3 over 2 plus root 5 times 2. This time around, the sign here will change, minus root 5 over 2 minus root 5. Alright, so when you simplify this guy, you're going to have 3 multiply 2 minus root 5 over, now you're going to have 2 plus root 5 times 2 minus root 5. So when you simplify further, 3 times 2, we're going to have 6 minus 3 root 5 over. Now let's simplify this multiplication of algebra involving 2 brackets. So when you simplify this is something as, let's the 2 will multiply 2 minus root 5. Okay, there we have root 5 plus root 5 we multiply 2 minus root 5. When you break this down, this is something as 4 minus 2 root 5. We have plus 2 root 5. Then we have minus, now root 5 times root 5 is the same thing as square root of 5 times 5. And square root of 5 times is known as square root of 5 square. This square, you enclose it like this. This square cancel the square root here. Okay. Now our final result here will be 4 minus, now minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5, just like say minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0 here. So we are left with 4 minus 5. What we have here will be 4 minus 5. Okay. Now when you simplify this further, you're going to have, and you know 4 minus 5 is negative 1. And in mathematics, the rule is that it can't have a negative sign at the denominator. So when you have a negative sign at the denominator, all you simply have to do is to take it to the numerator and it will multiply everything that is at the numerator. Okay, so when you do this now, when you remove this negative sign here, it's going to give us, when you take it now to the numerator, we're going to have minus, in bracket, 6 minus 3 root 5 over 1. So our final result will be minus 6 plus 3 root 5 over 1. Let me wipe this place so that we complete this solution. So we have, when you divide this by 1, this is something as minus 6 plus 3 root 5. Now this will be our answer. From this question, you say write this in the form of a plus b root 5. So from this, our answer, it shows that our a is negative 6 and our b is 3. That's how you can solve this kind of problem. Now this is the kind of problem you will see in your math, because this type is usually tricky as the type that students will easily fail. So take note of this kind of question.